Okay, so I just wanted to get my last video in on this face because I am painting this into a GATX locomotive. As you can already see, made some progress here. Not that I care that I really paint on the top. Yes, I am using some freaking Crayola paint. It's all I have right now until I get some actual paint. So yeah. That air conditioner vent, I am about to jump up and grab a good grip of it and rip it down from the ceiling. It is really annoying. It keeps rattling every time the AC turns on, and it's really annoying. Well, the heater, because it's supposed to snow out here in Louisiana. Yeah. You just heard it. Now you know that I'm not lying about it. Yes, this is washable. Shut up! Yes, this is washable paint. So, yeah. I could wash it off whenever I want to. You know what I'm doing. I'm gonna have to break that AC vent. Well, goodbye, face. Oh, great. It's mixing in with the blue. I'm almost out of white paint because of another painting project I used it for. So, bro, I'm about to break that vent at this point. For the people that don't know, GATX 2134, I think it is my childhood locomotive. Also, the Port of Lake Charles Railroad, which is a short line that runs here in Lake Charles, Louisiana, and I used to live by it when I was little. So, yeah, those times are over with, unfortunately. Shut up, stupid vent.